सोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahinder. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 13.2 problem number 2. Let us see the question. This is the given question here. A box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. One marble is taken out of the box at random. What is the probability of that the marble taken out will be red, number 2 white, number 3 not green? So we have to find the probability of getting a red marble, second one white marble as well as not green. Okay, for third problem we have to find first green marble probability, then after we calculate for not green. Okay, right. So once again I will repeat the question. A box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. So one marble is taken out of the box at random. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be red, number 2 white, number 3 not green? Let us go to the solution. Right. So total number of marbles in the box, that is 5 red marbles we have plus 8 white marbles plus 4 green marbles. So 5 plus 8 plus 4 makes 17. So total number of marbles is 17. So 17 marbles we have actually. Let us go to problem number 1. So before going to that, the total number of possible outcomes in drawing a marble at random from the box is 17. Okay. So what is the formula of probability? Number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. So total number of possible outcomes is 17. This is fixed for all the 3 problems. Okay, remember this thing. Right. First one, so probability of red marble. So there are number of red balls given 5. So number of favorable outcomes in drawing a red marble, it is also 5. Okay, because we have only 5 red marbles in the box, right? So probability of getting a red ball, what is the formula? Right, number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. Okay, so P of R is nothing but red. So probability of a red marble, okay, that is number of favorable outcomes by number of total outcomes. Right, what is the number of favorable outcomes? We have it is 5, and number of total outcomes, that is we have 17. Substitute the values in the formula, we get 5 by 17. This 5 by 17 is the probability of getting a red marble which is taken randomly. Okay, right. This is the first one. Let's go for number 2. Second question is number of what is that? Probability of white marbles. Okay, right. So number of white marbles. How many white marbles we have? 8 marbles we have. Okay, right. So number of favorable outcomes in drawing a white marble. How many favorable outcomes? 8, because we have only 8 marbles. Okay, right. So probability of getting a white marble, that is what is the formula? P of W. W is nothing but white. So probability of white marble is equals to number of favorable outcomes by number of total outcomes, or total number of possible outcomes, whatever we can write. So favorable outcomes we have 8, total number of outcomes we have 17. So what is the probability now? Probability is 8 by 17. That is the probability of getting a white marble, okay, which is taken randomly. Right, I hope you understand. Let's go for problem number 3. Third problem we can solve in 2 methods. Okay, I will explain the both methods. See the first one, third one, getting a not green. So we have total 17 marbles. So in that 17, 5 is red, 8 is white, remaining 4 marbles are white marbles. Sorry, green marbles. So we have to find the not green probability here. Okay. So to find that, let us see here. Number 3, number of non-green marbles. 5 red plus 8 white. 5 red plus 8 white marbles we have. So these are non-green marbles, isn't it? So 4 green marbles actually we have. So we are finding the non-green marbles probability. Okay. So we have 5 red marbles plus 8 white marbles. These are non-green marbles. I hope you understand. Right. So 5 plus 8, 13 marbles we have non-green. Okay. 13 non-green marbles we have. So number of outcomes favorable to drawing a non-green marble is 13, isn't it? Right. So what are the favorable outcomes now? 13. So probability of getting a non-green marble. So P of non-green equals to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So 13 by 17 is our probability, isn't it? Yeah, this is non-green marble probability. Okay, right. So this problem we can solve by another method also. See, so we have, I'm explaining second method here. We have 4 green marbles. Okay, number of green balls, not balls here, marbles. Write down marbles here. That is 4. So drawing a green marble probability is 4. Write down here. So total number of possible outcomes is 17 here. How do we know that? And green marbles are 4. So what is the formula? Probability of getting a green marble, that is P of G, is equals to number of green marble by total number of outcomes. That equals to number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. Okay. So you can write here. Yes. Okay. Right. So next, substitute the values in the formula. Number of green marbles we have 4. Total number of outcomes we have 17. So replace the values. So P of G we got 4 by 17. This is nothing but probability of, this is the probability of getting green marble. Okay, this is getting a green marble, but we need to find getting a not green marble. Okay, so complementary to this probability. Okay, complementary to this event. What is the actual probability of green is 4 by 17 we got. So we have one formula, that is P of E plus P of E bar equals to 1. P of E plus P of E bar equals to 1 we have. So our E is here G. Okay, right, let's see. So we have P of E plus P of E bar is equals to 1. So E and E bar are complementary events. Okay, that is nothing but E is getting a green marble, E bar is getting a non-green marble. Okay, right. So our event is green marble. So E equals to G. We know that just now we have discussed about that. So P of G plus P of G bar, getting a green marble, getting a non-green marble. So both are complementary to each other. Okay, right. We have, that is P of G plus P of G bar is equals to 1 is the formula. So P of G we got 4 by 17, replace that value. So here we got 4 by 17, okay, right. So 4 by 17 plus P of G is equals to 1. So transpose this 4 by 17 to RHS side, we get P of G bar is equals to 1 minus 4 by 17. Take the cross multiplication, that becomes 17 minus 4 by 17. So P of G bar 13 by 17 is the answer. This is the probability of not green marble, that is 13 by 17, isn't it? In both the cases, in both the methods, we got same answer, that is 13 by 17. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you.